Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable fast wireless charging. So if you're a person who likes charging the Galaxy phone using a wireless charger, then you may want it to charge faster than it normally would. So in order for you to enable fast wireless charging so that this happens, you're going to just navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you then want to scroll and select the option battery. Under battery, look for more charging settings, and then just tap on it. And then you should see fast wireless charging. So in order for you to turn it on, just tap on the toggle once and it will be enabled. Now, as long as you have a fast wireless charger available for you, whenever you put your phone to charge, it should start charging relatively quickly. And so that's how you can enable fast wireless charging on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.